Ever been stranded by a flat tire? Watch this. Today I'm unboxing Fix-A-Flat's emergency tire inflate. Let's check out what's inside the box together. First impression. Lightweight, compact, fits in one hand. Love this modern performance top. No more plastic caps. Eco-friendly formula. Safe for you and the environment. This 16 can is perfect for standard car tires. It claims to seal and inflate tires in seconds. No jack, no tools, no spare tire needed. That's huge. Let's see how it works on a real flat tire. Imagine you're stuck. Roadside, tire totally flat. Grab Fix-A-Flat from your trunk. Super easy to store. Remove the valve cap. Shake the can well. Attach the nozzle directly to your tire's valve. Press the button. Watch the magic happen instantly. You can hear the tire inflating right away. In just seconds, the rim lifts off the ground. It seals punctures up to 1/4 inch in diameter. Now seals 33% larger punctures than before. No mess. If there's any residue, water cleans it easily. No fire risk. The formula is non-flammable and safe. It's TPMS sensor safe, so no worries for modern cars. This is truly a lifesaver for roadside emergencies. No need to fumble with heavy jacks or dirty spares. Perfect for sedans, coupes, and sports cars. I love how stress-free this makes flat tire situations. You get enough inflation to safely drive to a shop. Remember, it's a temporary fix. Get professional repair soon. Recommended repair within 3 days or after 100 miles. It's been trusted for over 50 years. Reliable reputation. Let's talk value. Cheaper and faster than a tow truck. Great for commuters, families, and emergency responders. Store it in your trunk and forget about flat tire anxiety. The can is compact, so it won't take up space. I appreciate the clear instructions printed on the label. No strong odors, just a clean, simple experience. If you drive, you need this in your emergency kit. Don't wait until you're stranded. Be prepared now. Fix-A-Flat is my go-to for quick tire fixes. Highly recommend for peace of mind on the road. Grab yours today. Link in the description below. Stay safe, drive smart, and never fear a flat again.